Chinese medical experts say Philippines at risk of inability to cut coronavirus source. The Chinese medical experts who arrived in the Philippines on April 5 have concluded that the country is at risk of being unable to cut off the source of COVID-19. The 12 medical experts visited 6 Philippine hospitals and video-called local medical experts before arriving at their conclusion. The team's head, Wang Shangeng, recommended that the Philippines develop a Fangkang Hospital, a shelter hospital made for large-scale medical isolation. Wuhan, the city where the novel coronavirus was first detected, established several Fangkang hospitals in response to the outbreak. The Philippine Star reports that the team took issue with the Philippines' lack of beds and limited testing capacity, leading coronavirus-positive patients to quarantine at home. Wang explained that the Fangkang Hospital would be crucial to improving recovery and reducing infection. With the shelter hospital, patients with only mild symptoms would still be allowed to stay at the hospital for observation. Wang said that this would prevent the mild cases from becoming severe cases. The Chinese medical experts also visited the Research Institute for Tropical Medicine, the Philippines' largest COVID-19 detection facility. The institute runs 2 laboratories capable of processing 700 COVID-19 tests each day. Unfortunately, the Chinese team said that the country still needs to improve their testing capacity. Wang explained that if they work at full capacity, the capacity can now reach 1,400 each day. In addition, they are building a 3rd laboratory, which is expected to reach 2,100 a day in the short-term testing ability. The Department of Health announced in their April 5 release that the 12 medical experts had managed patients in Wuhan and Hubei. The Chinese team, who brought thousands of medical supplies and equipment, will stay in the Philippines until April 19. Their recommendations come at a time when the Philippines has been ranked one of the riskiest countries to be in during the coronavirus pandemic. The consortium Deep Knowledge Group ranked the Philippines 9th in the top 10 riskiest countries, including Italy, Spain, the US, the UK, Sweden, Iran, Ecuador, France, and Romania. Rappler reports that Europe is currently the continent worst hit by COVID-19. The Philippines also ranked 20th, the lowest place among the safest countries in the Asia-Pacific during the coronavirus pandemic, with South Korea topping the list.